Trying to find the best way to market your online marketplace? This video is for you. Watch and learn about building an online marketplace for your business. Identify your niche. Start with identifying your niche. What is the product or services you are going to share with your customer? Review other sites with similar items. It's important to research other websites for a better understanding of the market. You can review successful websites for clues about which features seem to work well and which don't. Set a budget. One of the most important aspects of creating an online marketplace is determining your budget on the basis of which you can move ahead with your requirements. Create your website. Once your niche has been finalized, create a website for your product or service. This is where potential customers will go to learn more about your business and make purchases. Utilize the social media platforms. Once you have successfully created the website, start promoting it on multiple social media platforms to increase your reach amongst the target audience. Offer discount to customers. Once you are done with the previous 4 steps, participate in social shopping events like Cyber Monday or Black Friday to reach new customers interested in your product or services. Build trust through transparency. Transparency is the key to building this trust. When it comes to online marketplaces, trust is everything. If you maintain transparency, it will help you get loyal customers. Listen to feedback and take chances. If you have feedback, listen closely but don't be discouraged from taking risks. Build your online marketplace successfully with the support of our experts. Contact us and get best-in-class services from our team.